How you doing, team? This is Romeo the Professor. This is my Orca platform. That's what I use. The Phantom wallet. I'm heavy in the Solana ecosystem. This is the exchange I use. However, I would like to talk to you about a coin. Okay, so the coin is called OOGI. OOGI is the coin, OOGI. The market cap for OOGI right now is right at 2 million. And if we look at the all-time low was November 1st, 4 days ago. It's a fairly new coin. And all-time high was 3 days ago at 0.0074. So it's showing like about a 315% growth from where it was, okay? So when we do 3 months, we see that it started November 1st, and it did a skyrocket all the way up here, which if we look, it says we're 56% from all-time high, and the market cap is right at 2,232,551. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like, and ping this bell. We update our OOGI to USD. So let's look at what OOGI is. So here's the website, OOGI.com. Super cute baby apes on Solana. Token for the baby apes community. Join. Let's make baby apes. How to buy. Staking soon. OOGI. Okay, what is baby apes? Collectible of 5,000 baby apes are mythically generated, cute, and collectible living in Solana blockchain. OOGI token created by the Baby Apes development team, and for now, the OOGI is a meme coin for the Baby Apes community. Other future plans will be released officially. With a total of 18 billion OOGI tokens, the following amounts has been allocated for the purposes. So we see that. And they show you where it's currently ranked and what's going on, and the exchanges you can buy it. So whenever you buy meme coins, people, whenever you buy meme coins, it's a risk. But I'm going to explain the evaluation of the risk. First of all, we need to know where we can buy this coin, okay? So to know where we could buy the coin, we click market. And the only market you could buy right now is Radium, okay? So I see 77% is growing. So I'm going to buy heavy. So I'm going to click on Radium right here because I cannot use the Orca platform. So what I'm going to do is this Samurai coin that I have, I'm going to probably take all of this out and put it here, the $30,000. Okay, I'm put 20,000 here, 10,000 here, and put the other 13 in stable coin. That way I protected myself. So this Samurai coin, I probably leave 3 grand. Put 10,000 in stable coin and put 10,000 here. So let's do it first. So let's do 10,000. That's a high. So let's see if I can do 2,000 at a time. That's high. So they want me to do 1,000 at a time. So I'm okay with that. So OOGI right here. All you have to do is get the smart contract. One. Remember I had 9,900 in it, which you see here. I had 9,900 in it, so it's growing. So I'm gonna keep putting in till it says 20. 2, 3. The reason I use a small amount because of price. I want to get as much as I can. So I'm putting 20,000 in. Okay. I'm swiping small. You know? I'm going big, but I'm protecting myself, and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's look here. It should be at 20 right now, 20,000, 18,000. So let me do here, 20,000. So let's look at the price of OOGI. OOGI price is 36, so it's jumping. It's at 77%, so I'm loading it up some more. But before I do that, let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I just now put 20,000 of my stable coin. I took 20,000 from USD and I put it here. It says 18, so I'm gonna make it say 20. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take from here my submitted coin because it's a meme coin, and I'm going to leave only 4,000. So I'm going to do it from Orca platform. Orca, go here, Samu, 1%, so I have 24,000. So I'm gonna start, I'm doing to USDC, you see, and I only want 20,000. 20,000. Let me make sure I'm not paying too much heavy fees. I'm sorry. 20,000. The fees is perfect. So I'm sending 20,000 to USDC. So I'm leaving 4,000. So if you see this here, my name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. So now I only have 4,000 Samurai coin, but I'm loaded with old OOGI. So I'm going to load OOGI here with another 10,000, make it 30,000, and then leave it alone. Some stay at 20,000. I'm 20,000, and I'm leaving it alone. I can take that risk. All right, so let me go to Iridium. I'm leaving right there. So I'm leaving right there. So again, to buy, you buy it off Iridium right here. And what I did, I got the smart contract and I posted in Iridium. To get the smart contract, it's right here. Right here. This is the smart contract. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like. So let me explain the strategy, what I did. Because SAMO is a meme coin, I had a large amount of SAMO, which was 24,000. So I took 20,000, put it in stablecoin, and then took 10,000 of it and put it in here. Okay, so that's why I have OOGI 18,000 right now. So I'm going to click pools. So this is my double dip. I got 50,000 in double dip. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna screenshot so I can know where I'm at. And then I'm gonna do this right here so I can know exactly where Orca is, Sol, and Samu. I am Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share.